Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So today we are going to be replacing these, the factory license plate lights. So I went on Amazon and I picked up some new one of these. They are black housing LEDs. So the install in them should be super easy. I think they were, I want to say 20 bucks or so, but there's a link for them in the description below. So if you're interested in them, like the product, go pick yourself up some. But the install for it should be super easy. You should just be able to pry this piece out of here. From like right here, you should just be able to pry it out and then take off the cover and take out the bulb. And the new ones are right here. They look pretty sweet. Black housing on them. And this little piece here should just plug in right to where the factory bulb plugged into. So it should be a super easy install, and they should light up the whole back of the truck better, make the license plate way brighter, and I think they'll look better, especially with them black like this. They should blend in better. I mean, they're not terrible, the ones that are there, but I mean, just the little mods like this make the whole truck better. So let's start by prying these old ones out. So we should just be able to take a pry tool behind here and just pry these ones out. All right, there we go. Super easy, just pry it off. And then untwist that. And then you should just be able to pull this bulb out. There we go. Just took a little bit of effort. So there we go. Got the stock little bulb out. Stock housing went in this way, I believe, with the two clips. So there's one side that's got one clip on here. The other side's got two clips. And you can even tell right here by looking at it, the one clip goes here and the two clips go on this side. Should just be this piece plugs into where that bulb was at. So it should just plug in right down here. Just like that. And then before I stick it in, I'm going to test it, make sure it works. Yep, looks like it works. Super bright. Don't know if you guys can tell the difference here. The one on the left is the new one. Not put in yet, but way brighter, that's for sure. Should just push it in, snapped in place, good to go. Oh man. Yeah, so here we go. You can tell the difference here. This is the stock one right here. Still pretty bright, but this one is definitely a lot brighter. That is for sure. You can totally tell the difference here. That's the new one with the black lens on it. That is the old one. Can definitely tell a difference just in the way they look. I think it looks way better. Looks like you don't even have them there. If you wouldn't know, you wouldn't even know that there's lights there. The bumper's kind of dirty right now in the black part here, but if it was clean, I think it'd blend in really well. But I think it looks really good. Let's get the other side done here. It's a little tough to get these out, but it's not terrible. Just got to give it a little force. I just didn't want the glass to break in my hand. And then same thing. This piece comes right out the back side, plugs right into where the bulb was at. And then the two clips towards the outside. Make sure that's in there. And then this piece will close back up. There we go. I don't know if I did that on the other side now that I think about it. I don't know if I put that back together. I'll take it off and look though. But then just snaps right back in there. Easy as that. Looks way better, that black. I really don't want to pop it out and have a chance of it breaking, so I'm going to go from underneath and look right here. Oh, nope, I forgot to do that. But yeah, you're able to access it right here if need be. Just gonna put that right there, stick it in and twist it, and boom, good to go. There we go. All good. Open it up, see how it looks. Oh, come on. That side doesn't work. I'm gonna go from underneath because I do not want to attempt to take it off and then have it break. So I'm gonna go underneath and look at it. I pulled it out, stuck it back in. See if that fixes our problem. Does that work? There we go. All right, I don't know what the issue was there. I pulled it out. I just pulled it out, stuck it back in. I didn't twist it because I wanted to make sure it worked. So I'm gonna twist this piece back in. Now it's in. I got it stuck back in and twisted. I was at a bad angle and I couldn't see, so I didn't know where the holes lined up at. Super easy install, like I said. It took, I don't know, maybe, that took what? Not even 15 minutes, but that was just because I screwed up on that side and then I couldn't get it to work on that side. But I think I just didn't have the LED part plugged into the bulb slot all the way. Make sure they both work again. Yep, both work. And it's super bright. I wonder what it'd be like at night, but that thing is just super bright, both of them too. But yep, like I said, there's a link for them in the description below. I think it changes the look of the truck better, or changes the look of the truck, makes it look better. I think it looks way better with those black lens ones on there too with the LEDs. I think it looks way better. Super easy install, took no time at all. Just go check it out in the description. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. And also let me know what other things you guys want to see done to the truck. So as always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.